Hi guys, I have added all the videos in the Power BI playlist. So in the previous video, if you missed, you can go there and understand the concept clearly. So in this video, I'll just cover all the data source setting. Have you ever opened the Power BI file and suddenly it got refreshed error because the file path changed or file for the file moved from the that folder to another folder? So in this video, I will show you to Power BI source setting, how the file path change, manage connections, and avoid common refresh issue in the real project. So this is the must-known concept for every Power BI developer and the interview preparation. So if you click on the Power BI and open the Power Query, in the Power Query, in the home page, there is a source data setting. Click on the source data setting and select your file and click on the change sources. This pop-up window like this will open and you can go to the browse and select your file, latest file, and where your file moved, or select the file where the file located and OK and refresh. Your issue would be fixed. So connection to the local file reference the exit file path. So if the file name or location change, you will have to need update your data source setting, right? So basically this data source setting allow you to manage existing data collection file path and the permissions, right? Let's do it in the practical way in the Power BI. So I'll open the Power BI. Okay. So let's suppose this data is connected 2020. Okay. And if I refresh it, there's no problem. Okay, let's open the file path. Where is this file located? Okay, so let's suppose file is here. I'll open that file, uh, file path, and this 2025 path, and the file I'll rename it any name. Let's suppose I'll put the underscore in this. So what will happen if I'll refresh it? It will get error like this not found file or folder, right? So file is not available in this path because I rename that file. So what you will do to fix that error? If this error come in front of you, simply go there in the home page, in the data source file. In the data source file, select that file is, let's suppose this file is this, change the source, browse, and the file, open, OK, and then close and refresh this. This file will come as the file was earlier, right? So let's open that file one more time, the path, and we'll undo as it was. Okay, and refresh it. That will error one more time. So either we can go there in a source data from the home page, or you can go in the apply state, the first one, the sources, and there's a gear icon. You need to click here. This window will pop up. Then go to the browse and select the file one more time, open, OK, and refresh that. So this error will be fixed, right? So this is the topic about the that file. So next topic will cover about the some tips about the data source parameter, right? So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.